Hello दोस्तों, iPhone 11 Pro Max the flagship of the series. Apple looks keen to bring iPhone 11 Pro Max the flagship of the series. Apple looks keen to bring iPhone 11, that is the high-end Pro Max variant of the series, along with its two other variants. This upcoming two series of the company will go official on 10th of September. This upcoming smartphone, Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max, is packed with high-end specs and will be the flagship of the series. The phone is powered by A13 chip. This is a powerful chipset that assures the smartphone of the company. Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max is coming with 4 gigabytes of RAM that will make the execution of the device very fast. The internal storage of the smartphone will be 128 to 56 and 512 gigabytes. It means that the Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max will provide you Apple amount of the space. This is enough space to keep you on the go while downloading. The screen size of the smartphone is 6.5 inch that are OLED in nature, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max by Apple Max will present you with full HD plus a resolution of 2688 by 1242 pixels. It's got the same Face ID like its other variants. The Face ID will give the smartphone improved security. Apple 11 Pro Max has got the same square pattern for the triple rear camera setup. The primary lens will be 12 megapixel and the other two lenses are the ultra wide lens and depth sensor. The upcoming Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max will coming equipped with 12 megapixel of the front facing camera. The 3500 plus mAh battery will be free to keep the handset turned on for a long period of time. The coming iPhone 11 Pro Max will also carry support for bilateral wireless charging. This is the smartphone that will give all other smartphones, including Samsung, through time. The 11 Pro Max, along with its other variants, has made its user a long wait, and eventually this phone will launch next month. So friends, this phone price is 1466 USD dollar and 2 lakh 26,000